Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to bind your API key from Bitget with SwiftCoin. This is a simple and easy process that will allow you to trade cryptocurrencies on Bitget using the SwiftCoin's automated trading bot. Let's get started. Go to your Bitget's profile dashboard and click on API keys. This will take you to the page where you can create and manage your API keys for Bitget. Click Create a new API key. This will open a pop-up window where you can enable the API binding process. To continue with the API binding process, click Enable. This will prompt you to select a verification method for your account security. Select Google Authenticator. This is a free app that generates a code every 30 seconds that you can use to verify your identity. Install Google Authenticator and click Next. Then, scan the QR code or copy key to link Google Authenticator. Key in the Google Authenticator code. This is the 6-digit code that appears on your app. Make sure you enter it within the time limit. Key an email verification code and click Confirm. You will receive an email from Bitget with a verification code that you need to enter in the pop-up window. Click on the return symbol. This will close the pop-up window and take you back to the API keys page. Go back to your Bitget's profile dashboard. Click on API keys after returning to your profile. This will take you back to the page where you can create and manage your API keys for Bitget. Click Create a new API key. This will open another pop-up window where you can proceed to click on Automatically Generated API Keys. This will create a random API key and secret key for you. Complete the required fields with the relevant information. Next, launch the SwiftCoin app. You will see a button that says API. Click on it to open the API settings. Choose Bitget and click Create. This will open a page where you can copy the IP addresses. These are the IP addresses that are allowed to access your API key. Now, go back to Bitget and paste the IP addresses into the optional field for Bind IP address. Next, click to enable spot trading. Then, click Confirm. Proceed with copying the API key and secret key on Bitget. These are the keys that you need to enter on SwiftCoin to connect your account. Paste the copied API key and secret key in the SwiftCoin app. Read the T&C before click Submit. This is the terms and conditions that you need to agree to before using SwiftCoin. Congratulations, you have completed the final step of binding your API key. You can now enjoy trading cryptocurrencies on Bitget using SwiftCoin's automated trading bot. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy trading!